When you enter city of Cochrane, a giant statue of polar bear welcomes you. It's a 20 feet giant statue of white polar bear. It's amazing. Swapnali, Anushri, Rohan. आमचा breakfast. Hello, now we are leaving for Polar Bear Express. So that travels from Cochrane to Mosonee. It takes about 5 hours, and this is the morning scene. It's snow everywhere. See you in the train. This is our train. Polar Bear Express, and this is Cochrane Station. And this Polar Bear Express travels from Cochrane to Mosonee. That takes around 5 hours to reach there. And Mosonee is the northern tip of Ontario, and this is the only way with which we can reach to Mosonee. This is the only link to that place. Okay, there are no roads there, so either you have to take this Polar Bear Express or you have to take plane. So these are the only two options. We have chosen this option because it is cheaper and travel is scenic. So see you at the Mosonee, and I'll give you a brief tour of the train as well. So yeah, I'll show you how beautiful this train journey is. Have a 5 hours of long train journey. What you do? You read a book, and that's what we are doing. Reading a book called Sapiens. It's a good book. View from their breakfast from dining car. You can sit here and enjoy your food and drink. So there is correction. Earlier I said this train runs twice a week, but it runs 4 days a week. So if you want to travel to Mosonee from Cochrane, 4 trips in a week. Nice. Train travel in Canada is pretty expensive. It is as good as you're traveling in plane. So it did cost us $96 per head for a return journey. So $48 one way journey for an adult, which includes tax. So $96 per person for a to and fro trip. But it is worth it. It is worth it. The best part about this journey is there is no internet connection on this train, not even cellular service. So you don't play on your mobile. So you, this train and this 5 hours into wilderness. You can connect to nature. That's the only thing you can connect to. And you can connect to your wife as well.
She's not
We got into taxi. So the Moose River is completely frozen, so water taxis are not working. So we have taken normal taxi, and we will be going over frozen river. We are traveling over to frozen river. This is for the first time we are experiencing something like that.
Built by the people from England.
Oh.
They used to come here by boat. They used to come by boat, and one year the water came so high the church floated away.
Really?
Yeah, back there. And they brought it back.
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm on the frozen river! We are on the frozen river.
Be careful.
Hello friends. Chai below. It's extremely cold over here. It's like 26 degrees negative. Everything is frozen dead except us. And now we are approaching a bridge over Embarked River. I'll show you. Canada Post Mosonee. So if you want to send something, Canada Post. Well done. Because of the Christmas and Boxing Day holidays, most other things were shut down, so we couldn't see anything much. So we just roamed around on both the towns like Mosonee and Moose Factory. We drove on the frozen river. This locality is mostly around 3,500 people, but government is doing excellent job by providing all the services to both these remote places, which includes everything like schooling, college, healthcare. Even they have air ambulance available over here. So well done, Government of Canada. Really appreciate. Running the train service, everything excellent. I mean, look at this lazy town. I just really love the vibe of this town. Everything is so laid back, slow. People live happy life. You can find LCBO as well here. See, right here. Now it has started snowing a little bit. It's so cool, but this is a old rail coach that they have maintained right outside the Mosonee railway station, and they have like historical pictures inside, but right now it is closed because of the holidays. And they have written something in their native language, Creek language. Isn't it beautiful? And that's the train which we will take back. This is the example of extreme engineering. We traveled almost 600 kilometers on these wagons under frozen conditions. So this is a wagon where they carry cars from Cochrane to Mosonee. This is the only way to travel your cars between these two towns. During winters, ice road opens, so you can drive your cars with winter tires, and only four-wheel drive cars can come to Mosonee on the ice road. But otherwise, this is the only medium. This is the only way you can take your cars to Mosonee or out of Mosonee. and I heard it is $190 one way. We traveled all the way from Toronto to up north here. So this is Mosonee, Cree First Nation, and then it becomes James Bay, and once you go up north it becomes Hudson's Bay. Now we are boarding train again at Mosonee, going back to Cochrane. Same train that goes back. It will depart at 5 o'clock. Still we have 45 minutes. It's snowing. We are boarding the train. Bye Rohan. Bye Swapnali. Bye Anushri. See you in Cochrane. Bye bye Mosonee. We'll see you in summer. It's 9:45 and our journey ends here. We came back from Mosonee to Cochrane on the same day, and it was fantastic journey. I recommend this train to everybody who is traveling to north, the Polar Bear Express. Now tomorrow we plan to go to polar bear habitat, so I'll end today's vlog here and we will meet you tomorrow. Behind me is the Polar Bear Express. Amazing journey. Everybody should do this. Everybody. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.